अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं उर्दू पॉइंट और मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान एहतिशाम खान। इस वक्त मौजूद हूं शहर पेशावर में। आप पेशावर के बोर्ड बाजार में यहाँ पे इस रेस्टोरेंट पे आएंगे तो यहाँ पे अफ्रीकी वेटर आपको वेलकम करेगा, वो भी इंग्लिश में नहीं बिल्कुल पश्तो और उर्दू में। तो अफ्रीकी के लोग वेटर यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में नौकरी के लिए आए हैं या क्या सीन है, आइए आपकी उनसे मुलाकात करा देते हैं। How are you? Are you fine?
Yes, sir.
So बिल्कुल अभी हम है सेड्रिक के पास है। सेड्रिक संग है? बिल्कुल, आप भी ठीक है। सेड्रिक कहता है कि मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? तो बिल्कुल सेड्रिक के साथ हम मौजूद हैं। ना सिर्फ यहाँ पे जब कस्टमर आते हैं तो वो उनको उर्दू में वेलकम करते हैं, बल्कि वो पश्तो में भी वेलकम करते हैं। जी सही सेड के आपको खुशामदीद कहते हैं। कैसे हैं आप? तो सेड्रिक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे ये बताएं, व्हेन did you come to Pakistan?
In 9 March 2021. So it has been 1 year that I'm here. I'm a student here at the university.
So you tell me, you here come for job or for what purpose? You are here in Pakistan.
Yeah, I'm here as a student. I'm studying at the University of Agriculture, Peshawar. I'm doing master in biotechnology and genetic engineering, and then after the completion of my research work, I'm left with few moments and I decided to join a part-time job so I can learn. But there is one more thing, like something interesting is like here in Peshawar in Pakistan, people are kind and they are cooperative. The way they treat me, I said that okay, I can do something and to save them back, like to give them back the love they gave me. So it's for that reason I decided to join a restaurant, because in that context, in that environment, I can serve people. They can come and then I can.
ये बताएं, मैं in which university do you study here?
Agriculture University.
So you are here in scholarship, आप scholarship पे पढ़ते हैं?
Yes, scholarship जी.
अच्छा, तो in 1 year time, how much Urdu or Pashto you have learned here?
मैं पश्तो लग गराजी।
खास वाला पश्तो लग गर्जी। अच्छा, ये कहता है कि मुझे पश्तो थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है और उर्दू थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है। तो कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू? मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
आप भी ठीक है। अच्छा, तो पश्तो में किस तरह कहेंगे कि आप कैसे हैं?
by the way, आपको क्या हालत संगाली?
और के हालात, घर में हालात कैसे है? तो 1 साल की पीरियड में यहाँ पे उन्होंने ना सिर्फ उर्दू सीखी है बल्कि पश्तो भी सीखी है। एंड ही इज द ओनली वेटर इन केपी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू टेल मी, how did you find that they offer a job here in Peshawar, this restaurant? How did you find that?
Yeah, it was thanks to like the research group in which I am in my department. So they shared it and I saw the offer. I contacted the manager, the boss actually.
Peshawar customer का reaction किस तरह है? जबरदस्त है। अच्छा, so which sort of food you people serve here is in this restaurant?
Mainly steak. That is why our name is Ghwakhe Steakhouse, because we serve mainly steak. So you may have tenderloin, New York slate. You may have also another type like tawagos and so on and so forth. And also we have pizza. You may choose the one you have. We have our specialty, which is calzone pizza. You may choose the chicken one or the beef one. We also have burger, and our specialty is the Philly cheese stick burger. And we have different type of drink, fried beef, butter shanks, and you will like it. I think we have many interesting menu. And
when customer come here, are they astonished that he see that, oh, are you from Africa or no, you belong to a Pashto community or you are from Pakistan?
Yeah, because like I may say 99% of people when they come, they are just it's like amazing. Oh, and I'm working here. What are you doing here? And they want to know, where are you from? What are you doing here? Why are you working here? And what is your purpose? And so on. So the interaction is good and it's zabardast.
कब जा रहे हैं अफ्रीका वापस?
2023. I will be going back to my country after the completion, after getting my degree, because I have
after graduation you will return back to your country.
Yes.
What message you will give to your Beninese there? In your country, that how was Pakistan, how was the food of Pakistan,
zabardast.
and how do you compare food of Pakistan with Beninese food?
Oh, like here, for example, my favorite food is chawal.
Chawal. Your favorite food is chawal.
Pulao.
Kabuli pulao is the
Kabuli
favorite.
pulao.
Ji.
And because like in Benin, we also have chawal is rice actually in
Oh.
English. So we also eat rice over there, and like it's the main. Yeah.
What message will give to that African people that how was Pakistan? It was peaceful country. People were loving. What
Yeah.
message will you give back in your
Yeah,
country?
I think the experience talk itself.
Mm.
Like I have been here. When I go back to first, I have been here. I studied here for let's say 2 years, and everything was perfect. And like for example, watching this interview, they will see that okay, he's enjoying actually.
Oh.
He's smiling and he's having a great time here. So then, like based on that experience, they will also judge, and they will also see that everything was.
If I say you that, define Pakistan and more particularly Peshawar in 2 or 3 sentences, what will be your comment about Peshawar, people of Peshawar?
Zata Saraminakum.
ज़ता सा सरमीना को
पेशावर।
कहते हैं, मैंने कहा पेशावर के बारे में 2-3 अल्फाज बोलिए। कहते हैं कि मैं आप लोगों से प्यार करता हूँ। आप लोग पश्तो में उन्होंने बोला है। अच्छा,
So Zata Saraminakum Peshawar to say that I love Peshawar, and so that is the description. You cannot love something that is not amazing, that is not good. So it means that the experience was good, and I love everything. So that is why I love Peshawar people, and Pashtun especially because I think these people they are Zabardast, and I'm gonna
People are
miss them.
Zabardast.
Yes.
okay, that's
Yes,
good.
sir.